Right now at 6, decision day for the man now accused of killing his son in one of the most high-profile cases in recent history.
Cory Bigsby's case will go forward in the death of his son, Cody. Tonight, some answers into how this case will continue in the months to come. Good evening and thank you for joining us. We have a busy night of news, including a deep dive into the Rich Neck school shooting.
First, the case of Cory Bigsby's death is set to go forward. Today, a judge in Hampton decided to see if Cory Bigsby is fit to stand trial. Mr. Bigsby was indicted last week in Cody's death, which is now believed to have happened in the summer of 2021. 10 on your side's Chris Horn was there for today's decision and has more on what's next in the case.
A mental health evaluation determined that Cory Bigsby was competent to stand trial. But now that's not the final word. He'll get a hearing on that matter later this summer. Meanwhile, the murder charge against him dates to nearly 2 years ago, June of 2021. But his family says that's not possible because they say Cody was alive for months after that. Today marked the first court appearance for Cory Bigsby on the charge of murder in the presumed death of his son Cody in June 2021. But Cody's aunt says she saw Cody months afterward.
My house.
Exactly. When did you see him? Dates are going to be important here.
I want to say September. He was at my house. I know for a fact in December, a relative was at his house and Cody was very well alive.
We can show photos. They say he died in June and they didn't report him until January. That don't make no sense.
But Hinnon said he was not able to produce those photos when asked by reporters. Bigsby's defense attorney says any statements he gave to jailers at Hampton Roads Regional Jail were coerced. Are you contending that these so-called coerced statements from HRRJ are the foundation of their murder charge?
Yes.
The date for the competency hearing has not been set yet, but it looks like late August. Meanwhile, Cory Bigsby will have a bond hearing here in Circuit Court next week on Wednesday. That'll be on the murder charge. In Hampton, Chris Horn, 10 on your side.